Hey, it's Joe, and it's May 2nd. I'm at the place on South Gordon, 69 Gordon Hill Road. I'm in the upstairs vestibule, which means it's the top of the stairs. And this is where the doors to the bedroom and the closet are. So I turn around and look down the stairs. You see the stairwell. And, you know, the height of the stairwell goes pretty tall. And this is the one area of plaster I have not removed, which I probably will start within the next day or two. Some parts will be challenging. I can't really take the plaster off the ceiling of the stairwell till I get a ladder, but we're going to get there. Anyway, this was the logical place to start for this. And if I go in here, the first going around, this is north and west facing. This is the bedroom that had kind of the greenish stuff on there. I've got rid of most of the plaster except a few little clops of it, but then I just got tired of trying to collect all the wood as I went along, so I piled this here. And this is the west facing window. Then next is the partition that had all the mouse turd construction on it, and into the small bedroom, which I hope to make into the second bathroom of the place. And, you know, so this was, I posted a picture of this and it still had the stuff on it. Tried to make sure that I vacuumed up as much dust as I could from here. And what will happen is you never get it all, and on subsequent days I'll just do more of it. But if I go out here and then I go into this room here, this leads to that closet. And the closet's now been stripped of plaster and lath. And here's the hobbit door with the lath that I showed you in that other video. And this is the big challenge here, because we want to get probably this door that I just opened up, I'm going to take out. And I want to put a adult-sized door in here, but we have to do it without cutting into one of these structural elements, or if we do, we have to compensate somehow, because these are load-bearing. And all that. So this is the other side. And you ever wonder, on the back side, that's what the plaster and lath looks like. Plaster squeezes through and that's what holds it on. And if I get to this part, go through here, this is the bigger hobbit door. That's looking back at where we were. And this is the big room. And I just still have a lot of stuff to clean up in here, but it's looking like it's there. Now, in this room, in case you need a reminder, they did have insulation up there. That insulation is dirty, but it's still insulation. I'm not just going to throw it away, but if I foam insulation in here, this will become redundant. But I'm going to take it out because we can't really put in the foam unless we clean this space. So that's where we're at. Tomorrow I'm going to spend time just kind of neatening up here and getting caught up with some of the debris and stuff that's accumulated here, so that I don't get too far. The demolition is one thing. Taking the old stuff down that you don't want is step one, and then step two is doing something with it. Recycling it, separating it out, giving it to the dump, etc. You know, you have to kind of, it's just as important to get rid of it as it is to take it down. And it's actually probably more time consuming than otherwise. One of the things I've got is I've been saving the trim boards, and so I have a pile of the lining. So, you know, if you put trim around a door or a window, usually you use these dressed pine boards. And I've been saving those out because they do have nails in them that got pulled out, but I'm going to need to have some, see these other elements that go across like that? That's the nailing surface for the ceiling. The price of lumber has gone up, and if I decided I was going to put these in and get all new ones, that would be very expensive for something that's never seen. But if I bang the nails backward out of these, I think I pretty much, between everything here, will have enough to be able to recycle those into the straps for nailing the ceiling surface on. And that will save me a few bucks somewhere along the way. But dying to know what you think. I have a sense of satisfaction here. I'm going to go get an ice cream and reward myself for being a good boy. And then there we go. Catch you later. Bye.